Hi, my name is Peta Gray and I'm one of the firm directors here at Enterprise Legal and also the head of our business law team. Today I'm going to be talking about governing rules for non-profit entities. So in the context of not-for-profit organisations, the terms rules and constitution are often used interchangeably, the same way as board directors or committee members are. While technically there's a right and a wrong under what they should be described, depending on whether your organisation is incorporated under the federal legislation or the state legislation, for a day-to-day use, it doesn't really matter. So if you're a committee member or a board member of a non-profit organisation, how do you know if it's time to have your rules or your constitution reviewed? It's a great question. So the first point can be fairly obvious. It depends on when the last time it was that you had your constitution or your rules reviewed. So if it was 10 years ago, it's absolutely time to have them reviewed again. If it was last year, probably not. The other thing to keep in mind when discussing timing is who actually prepared the documents originally, and have they been reviewed by a lawyer or other qualified person in the interim. Obviously, documents that were originally prepared by a law firm are going to have a longer lifespan, for want of a better word, because they're going to have considered the growth of the entity in a lot more detail than, say, a template that you may have got from another organisation. So the next point is particularly relevant for incorporated associations, which are the organisations based in the states. So in Queensland, that's under the Associations Incorporation Act. As you may or may not be aware, the government passed legislation a couple of years ago now imposing staged changes over a 3-year period which will affect all constitutions and rules for incorporated associations. What this means is that if you aren't across those changes, you should definitely hop onto the Queensland government website and read a lot of the commentary and resources they have available in that regard, or get in touch with a lawyer to explain how those changes are going to impact your organisation. So finally, if you've been having a lot of issues or queries arise in the day-to-day management or operation of your association or company limited by guarantee, and those answers should probably have been in your governing rules, but you found it really difficult to either find the answer or the answer wasn't in there, that's probably a really good time to get in touch with a lawyer and work out a way where those matters can be incorporated into your document so that it will better serve you moving forward. So our Enterprise Legal Business Law team has been working with non-profit organisations for over a decade, and we have a lot of experience in this area. So if you'd like some assistance reviewing your current rules or constitution, we'd be more than happy to help. You can contact us using the details on screen or find out more about us on our website.